Welcome to the Weather Centre, where the morning starts off with some drizzle over the western part of the Northern Cape. We're also expecting morning showers over the southwestern part of the country, and that's due to a cold front which also brings in the possibility of rainfall over the southern part of South Africa. Isolated thundershowers are expected over the northeastern interior, with those thunderstorms extending through to the eastern Cape coast. Things remain dry though over the far eastern part of the country, with a fine and hot forecast for the Northern Cape. The South African Weather Service have issued a warning for a high fire danger rating, with runaway fires possible within the shade of red. They've also issued a special weather advisory, and that's for heatwave conditions over Gauteng and parts of the northwest, with very hot conditions persisting until Wednesday. Here's our rainfall probability map for the day, with isolated thundershowers extending into Gauteng and the northwest, as well as southwestern Limpopo, parts of the Free State and the Eastern Cape, with a high possibility of rainfall in the morning in the southwest and a 40% chance of rain in the morning along the west coast, with the cold front spreading the chance of rain along the southern Cape coastline. Now here's that hot weather for a large portion of South Africa, with most maximum temperatures peaking in the middle 30s over the central and northeastern parts, 32 as we head into Bethlehem, Johannesburg and Polokwane, 34 degrees for Bombela and Richards Bay, and a toasty 37 for Pietermaritzburg. 28 with a warm Tuesday for East London, 26 for Port Elizabeth, and then mild for Cape Town and George, both at 23 degrees. Along the west coast, good beach conditions are expected from Namakwaland through to Langebaan, with a fresh southerly wind and moderate beach conditions for Alexander Bay. We're expecting a 2-meter southwesterly swell and a wave period of 14 seconds. In the southwest, moderate beach conditions are expected for Cape Town due to the possibility of morning rainfall. A moderate to fresh west-northwesterly wind is expected, with a strong westerly flow for Cape Agulhas. In the southwest, we're expecting a 2-meter southwesterly swell and a wave period of 13 seconds. Along the south coast, rain is forecast on Tuesday, with a west-southwesterly wind of between 30 and 45 kilometers per hour, with those wind speeds picking up mainly in the afternoon. And along the south coast, we'll see a 2-meter southerly swell. Along the east coast, good beach conditions are expected from the Wild Coast all the way through to Richards Bay. We're forecasting a light to moderate northeasterly wind along that east coast, with a light southeasterly wind for East London and the possibility of thundershowers. Along the east coast, we're forecasting a 1.5-meter easterly swell with a wave period of 9 seconds. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great Tuesday.